is Horta Costa Cabral. So we're just going to follow down this street and we're going to maybe take a right up here in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Just kind of show you some of the shops, show you some of the sights to see. The street is a little bit more busier than other ones, and I'm basically going to be walking to a bus stop, so I'm just going to film while I walk there. And this McDonald's is a pretty popular place. You can see it on the corner there. So yeah, this one, I think it's open 24 hours. So it's open 24 hours and it's always pretty busy with people. And we're gonna walk down here in a minute, but I think I'm gonna walk down this crosswalk here. And yeah, this McDonald's is pretty wide open though, right? And you have some machines that you can use to order food. So you have a couple choices. You can either order from these little things, order here, these machines, or you can go to the person up front. Okay. More festivals. A lot of festivals happen at this time of year. Cafe de Corral. It's popular. Somebody trying to get a taxi. Good luck. Looks like they're gonna be successful. Yep. We got a taxi. Security. So, okay. Milkshakes. So yeah, this is a pretty busy street all the way down, and they have these beautiful trees that are in the middle. And okay, koi, the koi. So we're gonna walk bubble tea. Just gonna walk down this a little bit. Let's see. There's a restaurant right here. It's a dim sum restaurant. Nice windows. A lot of eyeglass places here in this area. There's a lot of shopping in this area. So, okay. This one is a supermarket, Royal Supermarket. Looks like it's still open. And the next photo I'm going to be filming is when we go down to Lucifonia Festival. So I don't know when this footage is going to go up, but you get a little chance of what it looks like in the evening. It's about 8:30 on a Saturday, just kind of a general part of the city. This is a residential area, so it's always a little bit like it is right now. Residential meaning, you know, a lot of apartments everywhere up above. And we're going to be catching a taxi over here in a minute. Not a taxi, sorry, bus. So, okay. Pretty busy street. Kind of a quiet street. Okay, this is where we're at. And to the left is I'll show you. This is a Catholic church. So yeah, this is called the Church of Mongha, Central Church of Mongha. Okay. So anyways, maybe I'll just close it off here, but you get a sense of what it's like at Macau on Saturday at 8:30, kind of down just a general street. This isn't really the most popular street, it's just a residential place where a lot of people live. But anyways, that's it.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.